Hold up. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be doing the old... Hold up, let me wash real quick. Let me unload her from the trailer and get her washed real quick. And then I'll explain. But, repair and wash. Got the old Cummins. Then, over here, CODY-SEVEN2's no GMC. Go check him out on YouTube. Pretty dang good dude. He does a bunch of Offroad Outlaws videos. And he built this truck on his channel. Also, he also bought a truck like this in real life on his channel too. And he lifted it and stuff. So, yep, that's why it's lifted. But, yep, make sure to go check him out. Today, we're going to be doing his truck versus, sorry guys, the old Cummins over here. Okay? So, no, not headlights. Load this thing on the trailer. And let's get rolling. Okay. So, what we're going to be doing is, so first of all, we're going to be doing a speed test. It's not going to be that time to get to a certain speed. It's a high speed width. There's no time limit. There's a high speed width, which the time limit is the wall over there, or over there, or at the other end over there. But yep, a little bit of drift action going on there. Let's put it in low gear and a high ratio. Just like my tag. For sure. Okay, so we're right here. Unload trailer. And let's get this thing going. So, first one. 3, 2, 1, go. Got the old Cummins. Fully repaired. Okay. Got that going. RDO. Let's go. Come on, let's go. 140. Get 140. 146. Let's go. So I think I can do better. I need to adjust my gearing. Both of these trucks, they don't have perfect setup. They don't have, like, gear tunes and all that. Okay, that was 143. But, okay, so, let's get an old GMC over here. See how she goes. Honestly, I think both of these, I mean, honestly, I think the GMC is going to win. Because, like, oh no, I just do. Both of them are fully maxed out. Both of them are Duramax too. So, and diesels. So, not Duramax, diesel, I mean. Yeah. Okay, 120. Let's go. 140. 150. Okay, so this GMC has won. Okay, so the GMC has won for this one. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to do 2 mud challenges. I was gonna do rock, but then I thought about it for a while. I think I'm just gonna do 2 mud challenges. Because, like, what's more fun than mud? Like, we're gonna be going up here to the hill, which I only think I'm gonna do 2 instead of best 2 out of 3, because once the second one has won, like, if this one wins again, then it's over. Like, I'll do 2 out of 3 if like the other one wins now, because then it'll be like this one's won and then the other one's won, the Cummins. But then if this one just wins again, I'm just gonna end the video because there's no point in me doing another one because it's already like there's no way that the other one can win. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. If this one wins. But you never know, this one might not win. But I think this one might win. No, let's put it in high. Because it might go faster in high. No. Let's restart that one. Because it got hung up on that tree and then... I thought if you like would do it and then go in the ruts, I thought it would make a difference, like speed-wise, but it doesn't. I tested that out with the same exact truck, and it was the exact same time, so. Might be making some new uploads, so make sure to like and subscribe, but. Yeah, okay, so 2344. 2344. I hope they have a new update soon because, like, they were talking about getting a boat and stuff in here. Like, going out to the desert and, like, dropping your boat in and putting, like, ramps in there and stuff for the boat. That'd be so sick, bro. Like, going out there, like, camping trip, like, role play. Like, that'd be so cool. Go out there, just, you act like you're going fishing, bro, in a role play. That'd be so cool. I might actually do that. Comment down below if you want me to do that, though. Oh, crap, it's not on low. We definitely gonna lose. Well, looks like the old GMC got her. So, guys, I'm going to end off the video here, but not right here, but looks like the old GMC by CODY-SEVEN2 has beat the Cummins. Okay? Make sure to like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.